Hello dear students, welcome to mathematics class. In this class, let us discuss some more examples on equations reducible to homogeneous form. So in the previous video, we have discussed the method and also one example regarding that method. So now let us continue the examples. So here 2x minus 1 whole cube d cube y by dx cube plus 2x minus 1 into dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the given equation. Now here a plus bx is 2x minus 1, means it is not in that a plus bx form. Here it is minus a plus bx, no problem, because a and b are any constants, right? And but that b must be positive, so therefore a plus bx will become minus a plus bx now, and b is equal to 2. So therefore substitute 2x minus 1 equal to e power z. It implies that z equal to log of 2x minus 1. And then here the first term is 2x minus 1 whole cube d cube y by dx cube, that is equal to what? B cube into d minus 1 into d minus 2. So therefore here 2x minus 1 whole cube d cube y by dx cube is equal to b cube. Here b is coefficient of x, here coefficient of x is 2, so therefore 2 cube d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 y. And let us simplify this one. It is 8 d into d minus 1, that is d square minus d into d minus 2 y, and which is equal to 8 is constant as it is. Then multiplying these two, we will get d square into d, that is d cube, then d square into minus 2, that is minus 2 d square, minus d into d minus d square plus 2 d into y, which is equal to 8 into d cube minus 3d square plus 2dy. So this is the first one. So otherwise simplify this one, that will become 8d cube minus 24d square plus 16d into y, that is the value for first one. Then next is 2x minus 1 into dy by dx, which is equal to 2 into d, right, because b into d, that a plus bx dy by dx. So therefore equation 1 becomes, let us consider this as first equation. Now this equation becomes, now substitute this value, that is 8 d cube minus 24 d square plus 16 d, here it is 2d plus 2d minus 2 into y is equal to 0. So here I have written that y in common, then this is equal to, here it becomes 8d cube minus 24d square plus 16 plus 2, that is 18d minus 2 into y equal to 0. Here you can take the 2 common, then remaining 4d cube minus 12d square plus 9d minus 1 into y is equal to 0. Then it is 4d cube minus 12d square plus 9d minus 1 into y equal to 0. So here the auxiliary equation is 4m cube minus 12m square plus 9m minus 1 equal to 0. So here it is cubic equation. So already you know how to find the roots of the cubic equation. So here I am writing the roots directly. M equal to 1 and 1 plus root 3 by 2 and 1 minus root 3 by 2. So here all the roots are real and distinct. So therefore the solution y is equal to c1 e power z plus c2 e power 1 plus root 3 by 2 z plus c3 e power 1 minus root 3 by 2 z, and then c1 e power z equal to what? Here 2x minus 1. So therefore it is 2x minus 1 plus c2 2x minus 1 whole power 1 plus root 3 by 2 plus c3 2x minus 1 whole power 1 minus root 3 by 2, which is the required complete solution of the given differential equation. The next example is x plus a whole square d square by dx square minus 4 into x plus a dy by dx plus 6y is equal to x. So here RHS is not 0, it is a non-zero value which is equal to x. So whenever RHS is non-zero, in that case we need to find the particular integral for given differential equation, that is compulsory. So therefore first we need to find the complementary function, then particular integral. So here what is the substitution? X power a is equal to e power z or z equal to log of x plus a. So now let us substitute directly. Now it is a plus bx form, a plus bx, and here b is equal to 1. So therefore x plus a whole square d square by dx square equal to what? B square means 1 square d into d minus 1, and minus 4 into x plus a dy by dx, that becomes 4 into b into d, and b is 1, that becomes 4d plus 6, and x equal to, so from this substitution we can write x equal to e power z minus a. So therefore here consider this as equation 1. So therefore equation 1 becomes, here it is d into d minus 1 into 1 square, right, because b square into d minus 1 minus 4 into b into d, that is plus 6 into y, and x equal to e power z minus a. And simplify this one, d square minus d minus 4d plus 6 into y equal to e power z minus a. Here it is d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to e power z minus a. So here this a can be written as a into e power 0z, because e power 0z is 1. So that will be easy to find the particular integral. So now auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. So now we got the roots as m equal to 2 and 3. Then the complementary function is c1 e power 2z plus c2 e power 3z. and we know that e power z equal to x plus a. So hence here it is c1 x plus a whole square, c2 x plus a whole cube, that is the complementary function. Then particular integral 1 divided by d square minus 5d plus 6 e power z minus e power 0 z. Then 1 divided by d square minus 5d plus 6 e power z minus a into 1 divided by d square minus 5d plus 6 e power 0 z. So 1 by f of d e power ax, where a is equal to 1 in the first one and a equal to 0 here. So now substitute a equal to 1, that is 1 divided by 1 minus 5 plus 6 e power z minus a into 1 divided by 0 minus 0 plus 6 e power 0 z. So now 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 minus 5 2, so therefore it is e power z by 2 minus e power 0 z is 1, and here the denominator becomes 6, that is a by 6, and it implies that the particular integral is equal to e power z equal to what? X plus a divided by 2 minus a by 6. So therefore y is equal to cf plus pi, because here we got the complementary function, this one, and this is the particular integral. Then y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Next example, 1 plus x whole square d square by dx square plus 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 4 cos log of 1 plus x. So here it is a plus bx, where b equal to 1. So therefore now we need to substitute 1 plus x equal to e power z, or z equal to log of 1 plus x. Then so by using this substitution, equation 1 becomes, so here it is a plus bx whole square, means we need to write b square d into d minus 1, that is b square is 1 itself, so then d into d minus 1 plus, here it is d plus 1 into y equal to 4 cos z, because this log of 1 plus x is equal to z. Then it is d square minus d plus d plus 1 into y equal to 4 cos z. D and d get cancelled, remaining d square plus 1 into y equal to 4 cos z. So therefore the auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0. It implies m equal to plus or minus I, right? So it is the pair of complex roots. Then the complementary function is equal to c1 cos z plus c2 sin z, that is c1 cos log of 1 plus x plus c2 sin log of 1 plus x, that is the complementary function. And then let us go for the particular integral, that is 1 by f of d, d square plus 1 4 cos z, then it is equal to 4 into 1 by d square plus 1 cos z. So here d square equal to what? Minus 1. So if you substitute d square equal to minus 1, the denominator becomes 0. Now it is the case of failure. In that case, it is 4 is constant as it is. We need to differentiate the denominator such that z divided by 2d cos z. Here z is in the formula, because whenever the denominator is 0, then it is x divided by f dash of d, right? So therefore here the variable is z, so z divided by 2d, then it is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are, then it is 2z 1 by d into cos z. So this is equal to 2z, 1 by d is the inverse operator, that is nothing but integration of cos z dz, which is equal to 2z sin z, that is the particular integral. So now it implies that here 2z, 2 into log of 1 plus x into sine of log of 1 plus x, this is the required particular integral. So here we got complementary function as well as particular integral. Then write the complete solution as y is equal to cf plus pi. So here the next example, x plus 1 whole square d square by dx square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. So here a plus bx equal to x plus 1. It means that b is equal to 1. So therefore now put x plus 1 equal to e power z and z equal to log of x plus 1, and here x equal to e power z minus 1. So now this is first equation. Now equation 1 becomes, so x plus 1 whole square d square by dx square, that is b square into d minus 1, b square is 1 plus, here it is d only, then it's 2 into e power z minus 1 plus 3. Then simplify this one, here into y will be there, then it is d square minus d plus d into y equal to 2 e power z minus 2 plus 3. So d and d get cancelled, it is d square y 2 e power z plus 1. So here the auxiliary equation is m square equal to 0. It implies m is 0 comma 0, because here we have both the roots as 0. So therefore here the complementary function will be c1 plus c2z e power 0z, and e power 0z is 1, so hence it is c1 plus c2 log of x plus 1, which is the required complementary function. Then now particular integral is, so here particular integral is equal to 1 divided by f of d, that is d square 2 e power z plus 1, right? Now here we have two functions on RHS, so therefore here we need to separate the denominator, then it is 1 divided by d square into 2 e power z plus 1 by d square, this one can be written as e power 0z. Now here d equal to 1, because 1 divided by f of d e power ax, here a is equal to 1, then it is 2 into e power z, because the denominator becomes 1, plus here the value of a is 0, so whenever we need to substitute the denominator is 0, that can be considered as case of failure. So therefore we need to differentiate the denominator, that becomes z divided by 2d e power 0z, right? Again d equal to 0 means that is the case of the failure, so therefore 2 e power z plus, already one z is there, again we will get z divided by differentiation of the denominator, that is z square by 2 e power 0 z is 1. So hence it is 2 into e power z equal to x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into z equal to what? Log of x plus 1 square, because it is z square, which is the required particular integral. So in the complementary function as well as particular integral, that z must be replaced by the function of x. If we have e power z, then the substitution a plus bx equal to e power z, that has to be replaced, and if it is z, then z equal to log of a plus bx will be there. So therefore we need to substitute the original variables. The original variables are x and y only. So therefore now we got the answer as y equal to Cf plus Pi, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. So these are some examples on the equations reducible to homogeneous form.